Is my tie perfect, Ollie? Is it? Yeah. Like, I mean, we've got to do this properly, haven't we? Is all about making yourself perfect before you share. So you beavering away in your studios, bedrooms, offices, whatnot, trying to get perfect before you share is making you poor. Seriously, you have to get used to the idea of sharing when you're not ready. This is the Make Happen method. So, if you want to guarantee failure, keep focusing all your efforts on being perfect. Don't share your work. Don't get in touch with people until you've crafted the perfect message or made the perfect website or mastered your craft. Yes, keep crafting away in private and die a poor failure. However, I think you're here for some more success in your life. And we have a brilliant distinction in the Make Happen method, evolving in the wild.
The Make Happen method is predicated on taking action and, more importantly, sharing the results of your action before perhaps you're ready. Then, taking feedback on the chin, making some adjustments and sharing again, probably before you're ready. We call this evolving in the wild. The idea of developing in relationship to other people rather than waiting until everything is perfect. At first, you'll find this way of working challenging, but we invite you to get discomfortable with it, as it is likely to have a huge positive impact on your flourishing and success. So take a look. What area of your creative practice can you share today? Your ideas, your experiments, your prototypes, even those finished pieces that haven't seen the light of day, and begin your journey into evolving in the wild.
So yes, stop this hunt for perfection. And by the way, there is no such thing as perfection. More of that in our forthcoming video. Get yourself out there today and share something that's not ready. Get some feedback and make it better and share it again. It's not going to hurt. Well, maybe your ego. But oh, the joy and wonder of being out there, sharing and developing, evolving in the wild. So if you want to see how our YouTube evolves in the wild over the coming months, please do subscribe.
This time it has to be perfect. You have to get it right this time.
All right.
Perfect. Nothing less.
Okay, I'm trying. It's my tie, okay.